I'm going to spend the next 4 or 5 minutes, or maybe a little less, just talking about quality, because we want to make certain Acumatica embedded quality into their system. Quality relates to two things. You need to test the product to make certain that it's meeting specifications. So here what you see is that after this item is mixed, or while it's being mixed, someone needs to test this, right? And they need to test that it's meeting this particular requirement of pigmentation. These tests you're going to see later could be Boolean, true, false. They could be a color, alphanumeric, or you're going to see some measurements later. But this is just saying that what Acumatica is going to do from an ERP system is now embedded the quality piece into it. Someone's going to say they're done mixing this. You're going to see that Acumatica is going to prevent the next person from actually going into grinding it until QC signs off on it. We're now going to look at material, and again, we're going to look at another piece as it relates to validation and quality. We have something called boilerplate checklist. Everyone has standard operating procedures, and this is just a case where when this item's being made, there's a standard operating procedure. I'm going to say a checklist just for purpose of this screen, that someone has to sign off on the time, what they did they clean the machine. So again, what's going to happen is when we try to start this batch ticket, it's going to stop us. It's going to say if you want to use it. So obviously these are features that you turn on and off, but the system has the capability of saying we need to document that someone has done those standard operating procedures with the hope of making the right product. I'm now going to take a step back into the material section. Acumatica does a great job as it relates to different units of measure, or how we buy and sell things. But as we get into process manufacturing, right, we have system weight and volume. So you could see here, because we understand density by item, we could begin to go through the aspect of doing volume to weight conversions, volume to other conversions. From the aspect of those physical and chemical property links, right, how did we know? Every raw material, because of its cast number, etc., you're going to be able to define what are the physical characteristics of that item that will again relate to having the proper controls over the physical and chemical properties.